What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu.
So for this homemade marinara recipe, all you're going to need is some extra virgin olive oil, tomatoes, 1 onion, 1 green pepper, 5 garlic cloves, bay leaves, red crushed peppers, Himalayan pink salt. Now my local grocery store didn't have fresh bay leaves, but I don't see nothing wrong with using the seasons. Okay, so we're going to cut our tomatoes into fourths. And you can leave a couple chunky ones on the side. I like chunky ones. We're going to go ahead and chop up our garlic cloves. We're going to go ahead and skin our onion. And then we're going to chop our onions. Chop up our pepper, green pepper. Now we're going to put our tomatoes while they're in the food processor. I'm pausing it. This is an old school one, and I'm just checking it to see if it's the texture that I like it. I think we're almost there. Perfect. Quick fact.
Marinara sauce originated in southern Italy, made with both Naples and Sicily being cited as its possible birthplace. It could have not been invented before the 16th century, when tomatoes, a New World food, arrived in Europe. And the first mention of tomatoes in Italy dates back in mid-16th century. 1600s.
All right. Now we're going to pour a half cup of extra virgin olive oil. We're going to heat up our pan. Then we're going to go ahead and throw in our garlic. Now we're going to cook our garlic in here for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now depending on what type of stovetop you have, if you have an electric or gas, it may vary. So anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes to 3 to 5 minutes, depending on what type of range you have. Now we're going to put in our vegetables. I love a lot of vegetables, as you can see. And we're going to let this cook here for about another 3 to 5 minutes. All right, now we're going to put in our chunky tomatoes, like the ones we put to the side. Go ahead and toss those in there, cook those around, let those cook down for a bit. And just let it cook. Like I said, another for about 3 to 5 minutes. I like this recipe. I've used it a couple times. I learned it in culinary school, And this is an original. This is an original recipe. I'm not adding no puree, no tomato paste, no flour. This is what it is, straight from scratch. And you see there, we're letting it cook down some. Got a nice little boil going. Okay, let's add in our marinara, or tomatoes. Let's make marinara. Look at that. Clean as we go, remember. We're going to go ahead and mix this up in nice and evenly. That looks so great, so beautiful. You know, an experiment, you know. If you want to add more and more vegetables, go ahead. If you don't like as much vegetables as I do, don't. Now we're going to bring this to a slight boil here. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add our crushed red peppers. I'm going to use about like a tablespoonful. We're going to add some salt, about a teaspoon. We're going to go ahead and mix that up real well. Get it nice and evenly. Let it get some flavor. And we're gonna let that come back up to a boil again, just like you see here. That looks real nice. Give it one more good stir. Now we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of basil leaves in there. Get it a nice stirring. A nice stirring. Okay. Let's go ahead and plate this up for you guys. Yes. Go ahead. Get excited. Let me go ahead and take a bite. Now that was good. It's good enough to where I want another second taste. Let me see. Hold on. That was beautiful. Thanks again, family, for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell, and please share it with all your friends. Let's get to our first 100 subscribers, Ddins. Until next time, peace.